Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're looking at the best Black Friday cleaning gadget deals of 2025. 3 products that actually dropped in price and are worth checking out. I'll break down the good and the bad for each one so you can decide if they're worth buying. Number 1. Bissell Little Green Portable Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green is one of the most popular spot cleaners every Black Friday, and at $85, this is one of the better discounts it gets. What makes it good is how versatile and powerful it is for its size. It easily tackles stains on carpets, couches, stairs, car seats, and pet areas. It's lightweight, portable, and works quickly, which makes it perfect for homes with kids or pets. But there are a couple downsides. The tank is small, so you'll need to refill more often if you're cleaning a bigger area. The hose could also be a bit longer, and because it's really designed for spot cleaning, it's not a full carpet replacement cleaner. Still, for $85, the performance you get is extremely hard to beat. Next is something festive, the Scrub Mommy Holiday Christmas Tree Gift Box Set, which drops from $40 down to $32 for Black Friday. This set includes 10 sponges across 2 holiday-themed tree-shaped boxes, making it a fun seasonal gift. The good starts with the sponge design itself. Each one has Scrub Mommy's dual-sided combination. The flex texture side that gets firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for lighter jobs, and the Resofoam side that creates a rich, soapy lather. They clean dishes, countertops, sinks, cookware, and even things like sneakers without scratching. They're odor-resistant for up to 8 weeks when maintained properly, and you can toss them in the dishwasher to keep them fresh. The only downsides here are that the sponge side tends to wear a bit faster, especially if you use very hot water or strong chemicals, and because it's a holiday pack, you're paying extra for the themed packaging. But at $32 for a 10-count festive set, it's a smart buy, either for yourself or as a gift box. Number 3. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop System. The O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop is another Black Friday classic. At $33, it's one of the best prices this year. What makes it good is the hands-free wringing system. You never have to touch the dirty mop head. The microfiber pad grabs dust, grime, and hair really well, and it's safe for nearly all floor types including tile, hardwood, and laminate. It's easy to use and great for everyday floor maintenance. 4 downsides. The mop head's triangular shape doesn't always reach into tight corners as well as you'd expect, and the bucket can feel bulky if your home doesn't have extra storage space. The handle could also be a little taller for some people. But at $33, the value you get from this system is excellent. So those are the best Black Friday cleaning gadget deals of 2025. The Bissell Little Green gives you portable deep cleaning power at its lowest price. The Scrub Mommy Holiday Set is a fun, useful seasonal deal. And the O-Cedar Spin Mop is one of the best value floor cleaning systems you can buy right now. Check the links in the description for live pricing. Black Friday deals change fast. Like and subscribe for more smart buying guides. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.